Hello everybody, Mrs. Germany here to talk about the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So we've been learning that the Pythagorean theorem states that if we have a right triangle, that a squared plus b squared, which are the legs of the triangle, will equal c squared, which is the hypotenuse. The converse, we ask, given three legs, can it form a right triangle? So our first problem says, is a triangle with side length 22, 24, and 26 a right triangle? Okay, well, first of all, I need to simply figure out what's A, what's B, what's C. The only one that really matters is C. C has to be the longest of those side lengths. So this one has to be C. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this one A and this one B. And again, those two don't matter because I'm going to end up adding them in that long run. So going again to a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I'm now just going to replace with my numbers. So for a, I have 22 squared, plus b, I have 24, and again squared, and c, I have 26, and that has to be squared. Now, to figure it out, I'm going to do exactly what it says. So I'm going to take the square of 22, which is 484, and I'm going to add that to the square of 24, which is 576. Now, when I add those two, I end up with a sum of 1060. Okay? And then the question is my 26. What is 26 squared? So I do 26 times 26, and that is 676. So again, if I bring that on down, 1060 does not equal, there's my does not equal 676. So the answer here is no. All right, let's check this one. Do the side lengths 6, 8, and 10 form a right triangle? Okay, so again, figure out what's A, what's B, what's C. C is the one that matters, got to be the longest. So this has to be C. So I'm going to make this A, this B. All right, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So now replace them. So a is 6, so 6 squared plus b squared is 8 squared, and then c squared is 10 squared. Now I do the math again. So 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. 8 squared, 8 times 8 is 64. Now add these two. 36 plus 64 is going to give me 100. Now 10 squared gives me 100. So wait a minute. Now this time notice 100 does equal 100. That is true. So yes, the side lengths 6, 8, and 10 do form a right triangle. Good luck, everybody.